Hello everyone, I am Kyla Marie Mendoza, and in this video, I am going to talk about a automatic overhead garage door and how we will apply it in a Honeywell PLC programming software. So what is a automatic overhead garage door? Ang automatic overhead garage door is a motorized door nga gin-design siya para ma-lift niya ang door and i-rest niya ni horizontally along the ceiling of your garage. So, unlike sa traditional swinging doors, ang overhead doors consist of hinge panels that move smoothly along the system sang tracks niya and rollers. And these are aided with a springs to counterbalance ang weight sang door. So the automatic openers, ginaalaw niya ni ang door to be controlled remotely via wall button. So sa sini, gina-enhance niya ang features nga ang user maging convenient na sa pag-open or for the operation without manual lifting. So, let us now proceed to the control na involved sa automatic overhead garage door. So, as you can see, may arita diri input, amo ni siya ang door up and door down, and ang limit switches niya na fully open and fully closed. And for the outputs, mayara kita motor up, as you can see sa right side, and motor down, kag ang indicator niya green kung the door is fully open, and yellow if the door is fully closed. And sa diri for partially open rang, mayara kita red ajar light, which indicates sa if the door is not fully open and not fully closed. And we also have the door stop rang here nga may sa door stop na input and may output siyang door stop man. So here, sorry kung shaky ang camera because I am just holding it. So kung door up, if we on the door up, ma-trigger niya or ma-energize niya ang motor up, which is this. So as you can see, ang output niya is up motor. And if ma-reach na ang point nga mangin fully open na siya, fully open na siya, so ang output niya na is ang green door open light. So, amo na ni siyang masiga. And I'm sorry, I forgot to mention nga if mag-door up kita gali, if pinutuntang door up. So, door up. Makita ta dire nga sa dalong niya for the partially open, ang motor is up since naga-on di ang up motor up niya, and it is not fully open and it is also not fully closed. So ang red ajar light niya is magsiga. But if magkadto na siya or mag-reach siya na ang point nga mangin fully open na siya, masiga ang green light and papatay ang red ajar light because it is now fully open. And same way to the door down rung. So dere, if we press the door down, so are ma-energize niya ang down motor. And if again, ma-reach niya na ang fully closed, ang yellow light for close light, magsiga na because it is fully closed. So, and sa dere, wala na may masiga. But, if again, tawon ta, if kung in the process pa lang siya sang kung dere in the process pa lang siya, I'm sorry. Ay, wait. Ito ulit. Of this. Okay, if the down motor pa siya, and it is not fully closed, masigaliwat ang red ajar light. And if ma-reach na liwat ang fully closed, yellow light, and the red ajar light is now off. And as you can see, ang dere, same lang gid siya sa kung paano ni na-simulate, and same lang gid sila nga duwa. And for the door stop lang naman, diri ta makadto. For example, we are closing the door. So we're gonna on this one. On this one. So samtang naga down motor siya, nagigiyong door downward. And if we press the door stop on, automatically it will stop. The door will stop. Sa kung diin man siya naka-position, and masiga man ang red ajar light because it is not fully open again, and it is also not fully closed. And naka-door stop siya. But if we turn this off, so maano siya liwat. From the start siya. So, wala sa may nagsiga na red ajar jar. So, you can now pwede ka naka-close liwat. So, like that. Press kagina. And kung ma-reach siya na, fully close, fully close, then ma-reach siya na, naka-ano na siya. Naka-off na ang red ajar light niya. So, that's all for our Highwell PLC programming software for automatic overhead garage door. Thank you.